Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just did a video on this book here, Scanners and Secret Frequencies. And there are a number of radios reviewed in this thing. Let me get to that section. And one of them that I pointed out that was a great radio, and there was a lot of mods for it. And now I can't find it, of course. There it is this guy right here. Whoops. This is the Tandy, or Radio Shack, Pro 2006. And as I mentioned, the person that did the intro for this book, Bill Cheek, wrote several modification books for that radio and other scanner radios. And I looked down the workshop bookcase here, and look what I found. Scanner modification handbooks. This particular series, it was a series. That's how many mods there were. This is for that radio, the 2006. And if I go here, this was copyrighted 1991. The other book was 1993. Here's a list, and I see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Nah, I can't really. But anyway, this is a list of the mods that were in book 1 and the mods that are in book 2. And between the two books, there were 42 modifications to that radio to increase the frequency range, to improve the S meter, to improve the audio, all kinds of things. And there were fairly simple mods to make. I made a couple of them. Here's where he added an S meter from a CB radio. Diagrams. This is audio amplifier, I believe. And then he even had section. Where is it? I thought I saw a section here someplace. Yeah, maybe I was dreaming. Thought I saw a section on frequencies. But it was like 25 mods in one and up to 42 on this one. Pretty interesting. This, of course, was only for the 206. He wrote other ones for other scanners that were popular during this time frame. And these were like gold. People were like snatching these things up as fast as they could find them. So that's it. Just wanted to show you that. It was really coincidental that I found it down here in my workshop. Have a great day. Bye-bye.